Hi, and welcome to Einblick. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick orientation on Einblick's Data Science Notebook Canvas. So to start things off, you can navigate around the canvas by clicking and holding the open space and dragging around, or similarly, holding the control button on your keyboard and zooming in and out with your mouse. Alternatively, on the bottom right-hand side here, you have the minus button to zoom out, the plus button to zoom in. You can click the percentage to zoom to 100%, or alternatively, you can hit fit to screen, or zoom around the canvas by using this little icon to look at the map. From there, you might be wondering how you can connect to a data source. You can do so by going to the top left where it says data. I already have a quick CSV file uploaded, but you can click the plus sign, click create new data set, and upload any type of tabular data. If you're utilizing the free tier of Einblick, I'd recommend you keep your files below 250 megabytes, but you can alternatively connect to a SQL database where we have our predefined database APIs here, or as a last alternative, if we don't have something listed or pre-built, you can utilize the Python cell by clicking Python cell, clicking onto the canvas, and inserting a quick snippet to connect to your data source. So for instance, I'll just show an example. In this case being Snowflake, where you can import, say, a Snowflake connector, your respective passwords, username, so on and so forth, and run that to bring in your data from your database. I'll delete that and we'll continue on. Lastly, as you start moving and utilizing the canvas, you'll be wanting to add new cells to what you're doing. So for instance, if I'm selecting this cell here, at the bottom I have a variety of different options to choose from. I'll choose Python cell, which makes a new one appear. Or alternatively, on the top row here, I can choose from Python cells, a SQL cell, a variety of no-code operations, and even markdown and creating data zones as well. But in this case, you click Python cell, you get a little plus, you click onto the canvas, and it would appear. So to showcase a quick example, I have this data set uploaded and connected. And if I wanted to say filter down by a little bit, I could put in a quick snippet of code of Python, run that. And from there, you might notice an interesting thing in that nothing is appearing. Well, what you want to do then is build out your analysis and your workflows utilizing the various options down here, or alternatively up here and connecting them. So in this case, I'll add a table. I'll bring it to the canvas. I'll connect it by clicking, holding, dragging it. Lastly, you'll want to name the output of that. So in this case, I'll just call it DF. And from there, my data set will showcase with anything with revenue greater than 0 for this quick example. So I hope that helps as you utilize the platform. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us or utilize our Discord channel.